peel and grate the garlic.
Love the garlic.
You got like a garlic hack. It's very aggressive.
This evening we've got friends coming over. The last time I actually saw them, I ordered them a takeaway. But with HelloFresh, I'm definitely going to surprise them. Do you want to observe a master at work?
Yes, please.
Okay, so there's so much to choose from on HelloFresh, from Greek, Asian, Mexican.
Classic meals, family meals, rapid meals.
But I had to go for Italian. So tonight I'm cooking Serrano ham and butternut linguine.
I'm a big fan of Serrano ham. This is a winner. It's nice to be adventurous and try new things and surprise yourself with what you can put together with HelloFresh.
The box comes to your door with all the ingredients that you need. Everything's weighed out and all the portions are correct.
What's in the bag of tricks?
In the bag of tricks, bit of broccoli.
Can't go wrong with that.
Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. Let's do this. Right, what's first? Come on.
There we go.
Nicely
Perfect.
seasoned, all good. So listen, we're gonna whack that in the oven. Next, let's get prepped. Time for a bit of ham. Did you eat some of this already?
No, I will try a little bit. It's nice, lovely.
The one thing I cannot stand is if someone is in my kitchen eating things along the way.
I love winding Aston up, right? He's the easiest to wind up. This ham.
Stop eating the ham.
What I like though is you're being adventurous. Like, we've got guests coming over and you're sort of taking on a brand new recipe that you've never cooked before.
I think there are some weeks where we end up eating the same thing over and over again. HelloFresh introduces me and my family to new recipes, new cuisines, new flavours. Oh, the nut squash is looking amazing.
Bit of oil back in the pan, and then you want to add the onion, broccoli in. Another 2 to 3 minutes.
Roll.
Okay, so put the stock into the water.
Gotcha. Since when did you take over? Ast, do this. Ast, do that.
Sing at the front, backflip, dance. You're absolutely right. It's basically JLS.
Okay, let's get some stock in here.
Plonk that in there.
No, we don't plonk that in there. Cooking is like love. It takes time. Got to try a little tenderness.
I mean, if you look at that, it's like they've taken a snapshot of that and put it on there.
I am amazing.
I mean, this looks incredible. You know what? I was really impressed. I couldn't wait to eat it. It's amazing.
This sauce for me blew my mind. I know I cooked it, but even I'm impressed.